Hey friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing great. Well, this isn't the video I wanted to make, but I wanted to share this with you guys because we might be on a timeline for this, so I just wanted to share it with you. So a lot of people have been doing curbside pickup for Gillette gift sets or Old Spice gift sets, and there have been variable coupons also to use with that. And once you put a curbside pickup order in and you use that coupon, it's gone. Even if your order gets canceled, the coupon is gone. So, one of my Instagram friends actually posted this about this, and I kind of looked into it and I'm like, you know what? She's absolutely right. That absolutely makes sense. So I tried this today and I just wanted to share it with you guys in case you put in an order and it got canceled and your coupons have vanished, manufacturer coupons, that there is a way to get something back for that. So special shout out and thank you to Clipcat over on Instagram. She posted about this earlier today and she's like right on the money about it. So a little backstory for you guys. I think it was on Christmas night. There were kits that started to show up for like $7.50 men's Gillette. And as you remember, we had a $5 digital coupon. So essentially what happened to me was I put an order in, my order got canceled, and my $5 coupon also vanished. So, Clipcat suggested that either if you did the Gillette or Old Spice, to just try and get in touch with customer service and see if you can get your coupon back. So if you go to the bottom of the Walgreens.com page, and then you go to contact us and you touch on that, you'll have the opportunity to chat. You can either call the 1-800 number or chat online. I prefer to do these chats online because I don't really like talking to people on the phone. I'm just one of those people, kind of a weirdo. I'm not sure if you're the same way, but I would rather do a chat any day of the week than be on the phone with customer service. So anyhow, this is the question in in discussion here. It was a $5 off one of those kits, and basically what happened for me, guys, was I wasn't able to use it because my order got canceled. So I think my store probably had maybe like one or two of these, and somebody put an order in before me. So it wasn't me that received it, it was somebody else. And then my order just flat out got canceled. Okay, so once you're in that chat log with customer service, you're going to have to provide your order number and your full first and last name with the order. And if you did like me, that you had an Old Spice or like a Gillette kit with a manufacturer coupon, your order got canceled, but say you had a couple dollars of coupons, they'll have to honor it somehow. So I basically, provided the information to the customer service rep, and they were like, look, we can't reinstate your coupon, but we'll give you a $5 reward in lieu. So that was totally worth it for me and really, really super cool. So hopefully you could follow along. Obviously you'd had to have put in an order and had it canceled to get this reward. But even if you have like the dollar coupon, or if you did some Olay gift sets and everything got canceled, if you use some manufacturer digital coupons on your Walgreens account, they are in fact honoring it. So this was really, really cool. So hopefully you could follow my lead. And if you did get canceled on the weekend for these curbside pickups, I would look into it and do this sooner than later. Okay, and first thing this morning too, a digital booster showed up. It was at the top of my coupons account. This is always a year mileage may vary. Not everybody gets it, so it's valid from the 31st, which is the Thursday right till the 6th. And it's a $10 off when you spend $30 on your next pickup order or curbside or whatever you want to call it. These have been working in store as well, just to get a $30 order and get $10 off. So I would absolutely stop the video, go into your digital coupons folder, see if you might have it. If you might have access to like a desktop computer or a laptop, sometimes it's easier to find the coupons that way instead of doing it on a smartphone or tablet. Okay guys, now we're going to talk about a couple cheap deals that include this Gillette Series foam in the blue can. As you can see, it's right there for $3.49. We're going to grab two for this little deal. And as you can see, it's on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion and $4 in Walgreens cash when you buy two. You're also going to need this dollar digital coupon loaded. So here's the math, guys. Grabbing 2 of those shaving creams on a BOGO 50% off, well, that's $5.23. We have 1 digital manufacturer. You're going to be left with paying $4.23 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash. We're looking at 23 cents for 2. I mean, that's exceptionally cheap shaving cream. If you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it in this specific scenario. I've received so many messages over on Instagram about this deal. To grab 2 of these Revlon nail files, you'll get back $3 in Walgreens cash. And the cheapest ones are $1.69. In store, they might be a little bit more, a little bit less. I haven't been able to get out to the store today because there's a massive snowstorm here. So maybe if I could throw my snowshoes on, I might go and check this out. Or you could do a curbside pickup even if you want to do it that way. We seem to be getting pretty good at those. So anyhow, grabbing 2 at this price point, that would be $3.38. And then you're going to get back $3 in Walgreens cash, making it 38 cents. And because of the verbiage of this one, yes, you can use cash to earn cash because it has the word buy in there. So like, what a great deal to get some exceptionally inexpensive nail files. Okay, guys, so just to talk about holiday markdown, because there was a little bit of confusion in my video yesterday, or people just had questions. So the promotion right now is 50% off selected merchandise, but it's not all of it, because I did scan some stuff in the store, and some stuff is still ringing up full price. Some stores might, make it 50%, some will not. I visited a store yesterday, guys, and I think I found like 38 of these double Yankee Candle sets. So I brought one up to the cash register thinking, oh, will this be $9? Will it be, because they're $29.99, would it be half of that? And the cashier, who was spirited, that's the nicest way I can put it, basically, if she could put a boot up my butt and scream me out the front door, she was not modifying that. And she's like, we're not giving this away. And there was a huge amount of it, and so I didn't press my luck. But what I could have done was park my butt outside of the store and ordered some curbside, and then she'd have to get my order together and then bring it to my car. I didn't do that because I want to get this at a lot lesser cost. But yeah, she was just not having this whatsoever. Most stores have this promotion of buy 4, get the 5th for free. And this is running from the 26th of December to January the 6th. And there are exclusions and signage and all that stuff. So I'm thinking on the 7th, it's either going to hit 75 or 80% off. And will it hit 90? Well, that's unknown. And, this other store that I visited, they had so much stuff. Like, people are just not about this Christmas clearance as of yet. So it's your choice, maybe on the 7th or even on the 6th if you're up there. Just ask the staff. Sometimes they will provide that sort of information. If you ask really nicely, they will help. So how great is that? So hopefully this is crystal clear now. And I'm noticing that some stores, people are just, I think they're done with Christmas and there's still a good amount of stuff. And in case you missed it too, I made a Dollar General video first thing this morning. There is a 5 off of 20 that can be paired with the 5 off of 25. And there is some tremendous savings to be had and found this upcoming Saturday, January the 2nd. If you want to check out this video, I'll link it at the end. And even for diehard Walgreens shoppers, you might want to check out this video, that even if you can give it a shot, to pay $6 for 25 bucks of merchandise, that is what it's all about. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.